Hello. Okay, so this is basically how page editing works. See, as we scroll, it fades in. So you go to edit page. Now you're in the Gutenberg editor. So this is where you add your blocks. This is your page related material, your URL, SEO status, template, visibility. This can make the page a parent or a child. Now, you'll see that there's a gap here that wasn't there on the front page, and that is because if you go up here, you can get a better way to click on something directly. You grab this whole group here, which is this block. Now we're in the block section up here, custom CSS. So this is the code attached to it. So you'll see right here, it has margin 0 important. That makes this space go away on the front page because it makes a no protective barrier around this block. Same thing goes for this cover, except I think I put that HTML directly in the theme code. It does that one. So you'll notice that different sections are grouped. So each group, some will have custom CSS, some won't. Some will also have settings like animations.